Sometimes we don't know how to control our emotions because that kind of emotion you are feeling can be very, very, very exhausting that you don't even know how to go about it. But being aware of your emotions and having emotional intelligence will help you to control your emotions in every situation you find yourself in. Sometimes someone will be very angry at you and you just ask, what did I do that you are so angry at me? Just because this person doesn't know how he or she should control their emotions. In today's episode, we are going to talk about how to master emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize your behavior, understand your behavior, manage and influence your own emotions. Let me repeat it. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, manage, and influence your own emotions and the emotions of others. It is a key factor in building strong relationships, making good decisions, and handling stress effectively. Emotional intelligence is knowing is recognizing that you are angry. Now you are able to manage that emotions and you are able to understand that this is the reason why I am angry, and you are able to know how it influences others. So that anger that you become will make you know that you are going to do this or that behavior, being negative or positive. Please, being angry is not a bad thing, but it really depends on how you control that anger, because we are human, we are not robots. Robot doesn't feel anger, robot doesn't feel sad, robots doesn't feel that they are happy. But we human, we feel in our daily life activities, being different kinds of emotions, being sad, being anger, being happy, being envious of someone, anxiety, stress, all our emotions, because we are human and we are not robots. So feeling that emotions is not a bad thing, but how you manage that emotions makes it either good or bad. So emotional intelligence is all about knowing, that's recognizing that emotions, understanding that emotions, managing it, and knowing how it influences others. In this video, we are going to talk of how to go about emotional intelligence and how we can use them in our daily life activities. If you find this video today, it is going to really help you. Stick to the end of the video, because when this video ends, you will know that this is what emotional intelligence is, and I'm going to put myself together. I'm going to be under self-control and manage my emotions intelligently. It's not everyone that has emotional intelligence, because some people, because they are angry, they want everyone to know they are angry, and they are putting their anger on this person and the other person. Because they are sad, they are making the whole world know that they are sad. Some of our friends, when they are sad, they come on their status, sad mode activated. When they are happy, out there, they want everyone to know. If it's like we are all letting you know how we are feeling, do you think we can be contained in this universe? We have some people that we share our emotions with. That's a different thing. But letting the whole world know that this is what you are having, this is what you are going through, and these same people, it's not like they are going to be consoling you, no, but they are just going to say, this person, why is it only you that you have this thing you are going through? It's not only you, my dear brother or sister. So you need to know how to control your emotions. Now, these are the practical tips to help you develop emotional intelligence, because we already know what emotional intelligence is. The first step is reflect daily. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on your emotions and how they influence your thoughts. You should always reflect daily. In the day, what did I do? This behavior I showed up, what emotions triggered me to put out that behavior? Did I do something bad today to influence on someone else again? So reflect daily. This video that I'm making, which comment did I get from the video? Is people liking it? Did I say something I shouldn't have said? Is it because these emotions I was going through, I brought it into the video I was making? I'm not going to repeat it again. Next time, I'm going to control it and have that emotions be in check. So, reflecting daily will help you in your emotional intelligence development. Another one I have here is journal your emotions. Know the emotions you are feeling, because if you don't know the exact emotions you are feeling, you won't know how to manage it. So I'm sad. You write it in a book. Even writing will help you. It will flow. Or recording it on your phone, it will help you. It's like you are telling someone this is how you feel, and you are bringing it out and out. So writing or recording, by me, I really love journaling. So writing it will really help you to know that this is emotions I'm feeling and this triggered it and this is how I'm going to manage it. Another one I have here is seek feedback from trusted friends and colleagues about how you handle emotions. So you can ask them, please, I was angry today. Did I say anything you didn't like? Can ask them. Me, I am a person, I always say you can't live without people in this world. You move with people. You can't go alone. But it's not everyone you move with. Few people you move with. Now, if you want to know people that you need to cut them off from your life, I have videos on that. Oh yes, this channel is all about become the best version of ourselves, improving in our lives. I'm about self-development, and I've been doing this since I was a kid, that I didn't even know that that was called self-improvement until when I grew up to a certain level. I know, oh, this was what self-improvement is. Then why don't I share with people? These are the things I'm currently doing, and I can see myself really thriving. And I believe if you apply this same thing, if you are particular about self-improvement, it is really going to help you. So please do what? Ask people, trusted ones, not the ones that you think won't give you anything. They will just be envious of you. Ask people you trust. They'll give you good information. I did this. Do you think I did anything to hurt you? Yes, you did. And you check it. It's because of these emotions, and I'm not going to repeat it. Now, practice self regulations to develop emotional intelligence. You should pause before you are reacting. You should develop stress relief techniques like breathing in and breathing out method. You should avoid impulsive decisions. You shouldn't make decisions when you are too happy. You shouldn't make decisions when you are too sad. Make decisions in right times. And you need to enhance on your motivation. Motivate yourself to always do not putting your anger on someone, not being too happy to do things that you are not supposed to do. People become so happy, they go to parties, they go to the rest, they go to certain places they are not supposed to go, and they end up losing their lives. So emotional intelligence is all about knowing how to manage your emotion by first knowing that this is what I am feeling. Now, another way that you can practice or develop emotional intelligence is cultivate empathy. Learn how to listen to people without judging. You see all these talks I'm having. I still have friends who are so crazy. I still have friends who I see that they are not really aware that they should practice on improving themselves. But yes, so I talk to these people and I use my positive energy to give them so they will know this is who I am and I need to stop it so that I can become her friend. So you need to cultivate empathy in everything you do. If you are angry, if you are sad, know that if point A or person A made you sad, it is not person B that made you sad. You don't put your sadness on person B or your anger on person B, because it is person A that made you sad. Example, this hen. Now I've been crying and crying in my videos. I know that point A, I'm sad of it, and I'm not going to bring the same sadness in my video. That's emotional intelligence in checked. So that's another way to develop your emotional intelligence. You should also observe non-verbal clues. When you're talking to someone, know how their actions are. And emotional intelligence is not only about you knowing how to manage your behaviors, sorry, emotions, but it is you knowing how to receive that emotions from someone. If that one is angry at you for something you haven't done, it doesn't mean that you should also be angry back. That's cultivating empathy, the point I said. And build social skills to develop your emotional intelligence. Practice effective communication. If you want to know how to have effective communication, I have it on the channel. You can check them out on how to have effective communication. I'll put the link in the description box down below so that it will be very easy for you to get access to it. So you need to also resolve conflict calmly with people. That will help you to build your emotional intelligence. You need to also network with intentions, build genuine connections, and show appreciation for others. If you are my friend, let's say my close friend or my best friend or a friend I really see you have good impact on me, I always will tell you that I appreciate you so much. I appreciate this friendship. I really tell them I appreciate this friendship. I appreciate you so much. So build genuine connections with people. Let them feel appreciated. This will also help you to develop your emotional intelligence. Now, you have to also increase your emotional awareness. If you want to know what awareness and mindfulness is all about, I have a video on this channel so you can check them out. I will also put the link in the description box down below so you get access to them easily without going to scroll through my videos in here, there, and there. I'll just make it shorter for you by putting it in the description box down below. So you have to increase your emotional awareness. Be aware that this is what I'm feeling at the moment, because in a small interval, in a small moment, you can be feeling different emotions altogether. Ladies, yes, ladies, we all know ladies have mood swings. We can be happy at this moment, the next few seconds, we are sad. So you should increase your emotional awareness. Know that this is the kind of feelings I'm having now. This is the kind of emotions I'm feeling now. This is that, so you understand and manage it